second gear. Oh yeah. What's up guys, Tmaxx Tony with you here. Hybrid is busy right now repairing the associated RC10 GT. He told me, hey man, go have some fun, but whatever you do, don't put any horses in the back of your Prius.
Oh, I got the horses in the back. Horse stock is attached.
Tmaxx Tony only has the Traxxas Tmaxx 3.3 in the back right now. I've never even actually been to this park, so you never know what you're gonna find. Now, living in Staten Island, sometimes you find yourself some devil worshippers because, guys, one of the top 10 haunted places in the world is located in Staten Island. It's the Seaview Hospital, where pretty much Geraldo Rivera back in the 80s discovered a whole bunch of atrocities were being committed against kids. Since then, the institution has been closed down, but guys, the buildings themselves still are standing. And yes, if you do some illegal activities, you can actually go and see what's inside.
It deals mostly with the physical abuse or neglect of the residents. This summer, another retarded child broke a leg. He was taken from Willowbrook to the public service hospital on Staten Island where a cast was put on. The child was then taken back to this ward at Willowbrook to recuperate. When he was returned to the public health hospital to have the cast removed 3 months later, the nurses there were horrified to discover that the cast had been rotted by the boy's own urine.
And yes, years ago, I actually did go see this hospital, and man, it was a little bit spooky. I'm gonna agree with you on that. Now, of course, that was way back when Tmaxx Tony was like a little baby, so today, I don't think I'd have anything to worry about, but that don't really matter. Let's get this Tmaxx started, have ourselves a little bit of fun. This isn't just the regular Tmaxx 3.3. This is the 3.3 piston edition. Yep, it's got the piston piercing right here in the front bumper. All right, I'm gonna prime the motor. And of course, the one-way bearing is a goner. It's trying to do it, but it just doesn't have enough. Listen to this, guys. It sounds like it's trying to catch. I hear a little bit. It's gonna do it, I hope so. Tmaxx Tony is not gonna be defeated. Let's get this. I need this to start. The power of Christ and evolution compels you. The power of Christ and evolution compels you. Which one do you accept? Which one is your maker? It's one or the other. You have to choose one. You cannot not know. Tmaxx, you gotta choose one. Christ or evolution. The power of vintage Nitro RC restoration compels you. You better do it. What's up, Nitro gang? Tmaxx Tony's a little bit upset. He brought back his Tmaxx 3.3. Says it couldn't start. He says I gotta look at it, check out the one-way bearing inside the motor and the starting assembly in the back. I don't think Tmaxx Tony knows the amount of depth of work I'm doing on this associated RC10 GT right now. Man, the engine is disassembled, there's still nitro soup inside, but I know it isn't seized. But you know what? I like Tmaxx Tony. He's a nice guy, not only because he has cool hair, he's a genuinely cool dude. You know, he tests a lot of claims, especially when people jump Traxxas Maxes, you know, over the moon. He's not one of those guys. To this day, people still think that's a hoax, but I have the picture to prove it. Check this out. Alright, time to remove the engine, see what's going on with the starting assembly in the back here. Before I get to work, I'm gonna start a new tradition. This is gonna be an RC Nitro repair tradition. You guys see this pizza? That's right, I'm gonna eat the pizza off of the Tmaxx right now. You know how when the ship first leaves its port, they break a bottle of champagne over the hull in the front for a sign of good luck? Well, in my case, I'm gonna eat some pizza from the roof of the Tmaxx. Oh yeah, some cheese pizza from Costco. You guys remember that video where my Primal MT ran over the Costco $5 chicken? I'm going to drive over to Costco chicken. Man, I'm about ready to get to work on this Tmaxx now. While Hybrid is working on the Tmaxx one-way bearing situation, don't you worry guys. Tmaxx Tony was able to source himself another Traxxas. This is the famous Traxxas Revo 3.3. You've seen this bad boy on Hybrid's channel many times. This is what I'm gonna have to do today because the Tmaxx currently is a little bit out of action. No big deal, this is the Tmaxx's younger brother, which initially came out in 2004 and has been winning Nitro Truck of the Year in Remote Control Car Action magazine ever since. So this is pretty much a legend right here, just like Tmaxx Tony's perfect blonde hair. Let's do this. Let's start her up. Here we go. Gonna raise the throttle trim just a little. Yeah, baby, yeah. Nitro adventure. The Revo likes to travel, just like when your chick says she wants to go to Italy. The Nitro Revo likes to go to the sand areas. 2-speed. Whoa. Whoa. Tumble wumble, tumble wumble. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Guys, we got some bad news. There's some kind of transmission issue. You saw me rock this back and forth and it's getting locked in pretty much forward. Now I moved the reverse on the controller and it's still stuck. So I don't know what's going on, but I will be honest with you. Ever since I had that crash. Oh. No, we got major impact. The speed meter flew off. The body looks messed up. And it hit the curb at mostly, you know, I would say half throttle. It's been a situation since. So hopefully nothing is ruined inside the transmission. It's making a pretty bad clicking gear noise as I move it back and forth like this. In fact, it's even locked, which is really, really weird because it should still roll at least one direction. The reverse on the remote, when I was operating the toggle here, it wasn't doing anything. And I actually can't even hear it doing anything right now. So the steering is functional, everything is on. The motor seems to run okay, but for some reason I keep having to do this once in a while. I don't know what the situation is. So the adventure is over right now. You know, I wanted to do some rock climbing, some ice racing, some figure skating, you know, go on a date or two from, you know, some hookup website, but I can't be doing that right now because my Traxxas Revo is out of action. And when the Revo's out of action, Tmaxx Tony ain't having a good day, you know what I'm saying? I just cannot get a break. I have Traxxas breaking down left and right. First it's the Tmaxx 3.3, now it's the Revo 3.3. Let's see exactly what he's talking about. He's a good driver, I know that for a fact because I don't let anyone drive my Nitros other than Tmaxx Tony. And legend has it, he's gonna be getting married soon, so maybe sooner or later we're gonna meet Tmaxx Tony's future wife. What do you guys say about that? Let's see what the problem is. I have it lined up for moral support alongside every other Traxxas that I have. Of course, I'm missing about half the fleet, but this is fine. Let's take the body off, see what Tmaxx Tony is talking about. Man, he's a troublemaker sometimes, you know? Hopefully that woman he found, she's a keeper. All right, let's put the radio on. I'm gonna put the truck on. All right, OptiDrive seems okay. Throttle works, steering works. So it's locked and forward, and now it just freed itself up. So the reverse itself seems to be operable, meaning the third channel is operating the micro servo for the reverse. But yeah, it's not supposed to be locked and making this weird gear grinding noise. That's pretty bad. So really, when it's in forward, it should not roll back, and when it's in reverse, it should not roll forward. This is not a good thing. He says that when he was running it, it basically just, you know, when he was accelerating, it was not doing anything. And yeah, I'm beginning to see why. So right now, you know, as I'm shifting it from the toggle switch forward and reverse, it's still basically locked in the same position. This is not good, guys. This is not good. This is gonna need some future repairs. I'm gonna be showing you an actual test of a 2-speed engaging. I'm gonna start out in first gear, then I'm gonna flip this toggle switch to second gear. With 8.4 volts, this thing is designed to handle a lot more juice than this. First gear, top speed, let's go. Second gear. First gear. Second gear.